Good morning, everybody. This is Anitra Eigelhart. I am with EXP Realty, and I'm doing an open house today at Keonekai Villages in Kihei, Unit 22-103. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. And we're gonna do a quick walkthrough. We've had so much interest in this unit, and you're gonna see why, because it's absolutely adorable. It's priced right. It's centrally located in Kihei. It's very, very close to all the beaches. Just drive right down the hill to South Kihei Road. You can go visit all the beaches, Cam 1, Cam 2, Cam 3. It's close to Wailea. If you want to go and get some dinner at night, it's all right there. It's very, very centrally located and a desirable community. A lot of people that live on Maui love Keonekai Villages. It's a great community with families, singles, all different types of people live here. And so it's something that I think you're really gonna like. And I've been here at the unit. I think it's bright. It's very, just a great feeling. So let's get started and let's start walking around before somebody shows up and I have to stop this video. All right, so here we are at the front door. I'm just gonna turn around and I'm gonna try not to spin so much because I know it makes you feel a little nauseous. And we're here for the showing, so we're definitely prepared. We have all of our forms. We have our COVID form, gloves, hand sanitizer, mask if you forget. Want to make sure we're following all the regulations. Right here you can see there's a little dining room table, and what I notice here in the back is the subway tile. It just makes it just so bright. I love subway tile. It just, the white little tile in the back, and then the open shelving, it just makes it so open. It gives me, again, this like beachy feeling. You come home, it just feels good. It's nice, bright, and white. Here's the the kitchen area. We have all stainless steel appliances throughout. And I just wanna get here to the quartz countertop. You can see it's nice and new, remodeled. And again, we have the open shelving, which I don't know about you, but I just absolutely adore. All right, and here's the kitchen area. All right, we're gonna walk right here out to the living room. And this AC unit, if you want to turn it on before you get home, so you're spending the day at the beach, which I mentioned is very close, you can turn it on from your phone. Thank God for technology. Have it ready for your house to be nice and cool. All right, let's go out to the Lanai, which is, I'm going to try not to talk too loud, which is very, very charming. I love that the owner set up a place for you to sit. And if you walk right out here, you're gonna see fresh fruit trees and planter boxes, which just makes it that much more charming. It's a great little place to sit outside, have your morning coffee, evening cocktail, or just spending time with the family. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this. And we are gonna start walking down the hallway if I don't trip. Oh, I'm gonna walk down the hallway. We're gonna come to the 1-bedroom. And again, the first thing I notice about this is the open window, the light. I can just imagine waking up in the morning, opening the curtains and just, looking out the window, and what do you see? I see a fruit tree staring at me. I don't know if you guys know those songs from kids' books. And here we're gonna go into the bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill, which is nice. Just open this door, come into another bathroom, and we'll go over to the closets. You can see there is a stackable washer and dryer. All right, love the little, like the bathroom cabinetry. All right, and let's walk in here, the master bedroom. Again, love the shutters on the windows. It's just so open and bright. Bright meaning not where you can't sleep, but it just gives that, you wanna let the Maui sunshine in for sure. Okay, and we're going to, here's the closet. And back into the Jack and Jill bathroom, which I already showed. All right, closet, cabinets in the closet, which is really nice. just ready to go. Just bring your bathing suit because you're awfully close to the beach. Here we go. And we're back in. Again, this is at Keonekai Villages. We have it listed for $499. And it's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. And we have a lot of interest. So if you'd like to get more information, please reach out at anitra.eigelhart@exprealty.com. Or you can go to my website at anitraeigelhart.exprealty.com. Sorry, I had so much, got to get that out much smoother. But this is a great little unit. I was excited to do the open house today. We have a lot of people, a lot of interest. So definitely reach out. A lot of homes, a lot of condos on Maui are going very, very quickly. We just don't have a lot of inventory. So if you see something you like, you definitely reach out. If you don't have a realtor, I'd love to work with you. Just make sure you're out there looking and trying to find something you really like and get in and make that offer. So anyways, I hope everyone had a great new year. I'm looking forward to 2021. I'm sure we all are. And I look forward to seeing you guys, meeting you. If you want to reach out, if you have any questions. Otherwise, have an amazing day. Aloha.